over evil. Navratri is not just about rituals, fasting or celebrations. It is also the Shakti, the strength within us. The 9 nights of Navratri remind us of the 9 forms of Goddess Durga, each symbolizing courage, knowledge, love, then prosperity and the purity. Just as Ma Durga defeated the demon, this festival inspires us to fight the negativity with ourselves, anger, greed, jealousy, and replace it with the positivity, with kindness and wisdom. At Kohana International School, we encourage our students not only to excel in academics, but also to understand the values of our cultures and traditions. Festivals like Navratri teach us the importance of unity, respect for women, devotion to truth, and the celebration of life with music, dance, and togetherness. As we celebrate today with a colorful attire, joyous dances like Garba, let us also remember that Navratri is a time for self-reflection, inner growth, and spreading happiness. On behalf of the school, I extend my warmest wishes to all of you. May Goddess Durga Ma bless us with health, wisdom, and strength to achieve success in our lives. Let us celebrate Navratri with devotion in our hearts, smiles on our faces, and gratitude in our souls. Happy Navratri to all. Jai Mata Di. Thank you so much.